Tired of guessing games when it comes to paying yourself as a self-employed individual? Then let's dive into how you can use Gusto to run your owner payroll like a pro. First, log into your Gusto account if you haven't already. Be sure to set up your business profile completely. This is essential for accurate tax calculations. Next, navigate to the People section here. You'll want to add yourself as an employee. Make sure to indicate that you are an owner so Gusto can properly categorize your compensation. Now, let's configure your compensation. Enter the amount you want to pay yourself. Remember, this is your draw, and it's subject to self-employment taxes, which Gusto will calculate for you. It's time to run payroll. Click on the Payroll tab and select Run Payroll. Review the details carefully, including the calculated taxes. This ensures there are no surprises later. One of the best parts of using Gusto is the automated tax forms. Gusto generates your W-2 and other necessary forms, making tax season much smoother. Access these forms in the reporting section of your dashboard. And that's it. You've successfully run your owner payroll using Gusto. You can breathe easy knowing that you're paying yourself correctly and staying compliant with tax regulations. And be sure to check out the Gusto Help Center for even more detailed guides. Now, go run your business with confidence.